Welcome to the Natural Lifestyle Remedies channel, your ultimate guide to a healthier and more natural lifestyle. Here, we explore the power of Mother Nature, unraveling the benefits of natural remedies and healthy lifestyle tips. Our mission is to empower you with knowledge, helping you understand the vital role of natural remedies in maintaining optimum health. If you find our content valuable, don't forget to hit the like button and share this video. It really supports our work. Now let's dive into today's topic, gut-friendly meals. Have you ever wondered what gut-friendly meals are and why they're important? Let's unravel this mystery. Gut-friendly meals are essentially foods that aid in the maintenance and enhancement of the gut's health. These meals are packed with ingredients that fuel our gut bacteria, leading to better digestion, enhanced immune system, and overall wellness. What makes a meal gut-friendly? The answer lies in three key ingredients: fiber, probiotics, and lean proteins. Fiber-rich foods like whole grains, fruits, and vegetables are the superstars here. They act as fuel for our gut bacteria, helping them thrive. Next, we have probiotics found in foods like yogurt and fermented foods. These are beneficial bacteria that promote a healthy gut environment. Lastly, lean proteins found in foods like fish, poultry, and legumes are crucial in maintaining the health of our gut lining. In essence, gut-friendly meals are meals that promote a healthy gut, leading to a healthier you. Now, let's explore some quick and interesting facts about gut-friendly meals. Did you know that the gut is often referred to as the body's second brain? This is due to its influence over your overall health, mood, and even your mental clarity. And just like your brain, your gut thrives on a balanced diet. Foods rich in fiber, such as whole grains, fruits, and vegetables, are excellent for your gut health. They act as fuel for the good bacteria in your gut, helping them thrive and keep your digestive system functioning smoothly. Probiotic-rich foods like yogurt, kefir, and fermented foods also play a crucial role in maintaining a healthy gut. They introduce beneficial bacteria into your digestive system, aiding digestion and boosting your immune system. On the other hand, certain foods can harm your gut health. These include processed foods, high-sugar foods, and foods high in unhealthy fats. These types of foods can lead to an imbalance in your gut bacteria, causing digestive issues and negatively impacting your overall health. But gut-friendly meals are not only about what you eat, but also how you eat. Eating slowly, chewing thoroughly, and avoiding overeating can significantly improve your digestion and gut health. Incorporating gut-friendly foods into your meals doesn't have to be complicated. It can be as simple as adding a side of fermented vegetables to your dinner or swapping your morning coffee for a glass of kefir. Remember, a healthy gut is the key to a healthy body. Start incorporating gut-friendly meals into your diet today. Now that you are armed with this knowledge, you're ready to take the next step towards a healthier lifestyle. Remember, gut-friendly meals can do wonders for your well-being. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to hit the like button if you found this video helpful and share it with your friends. Stay tuned for more natural lifestyle remedies.